The equality operator checks whether two operands are equal in value. It returns true if the values are equal and false otherwise. For primitive value types, like int, double, and bool, the equality operator compares the actual values. For reference types, like objects and collections, equality operator typically checks whether the references point to the same object in memory, unless the type overloads the operator to perform a value comparison. For custom classes, unless the equality operator is overloaded, the default behavior is reference comparison. Overloading means providing your own logic for how the equality operator behaves when comparing two instances. In C#, strings behave differently from most reference types. When you use the equality operator with strings, C# compares the contents of the strings, the characters, rather than just checking whether both variables refer to the same memory location.